Hey friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel.
Don't gotta stay the night, I just wanna take the time.
My name is Roxy. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in and subscribing if you are. In this video, I'm going to be doing a refresh for the new year. I'm definitely overdue. I'm going to be relaxing my hair. I'm going to be giving my hair a rinse, mold, and a style if necessary, depending on how the hair lays or how it's moving. I have been trying to commit to going to the salon to relax my hair because the relaxer at the salon is better and healthier, and then someone else is doing it for me so they can see over my head, which is obviously better as well. But unfortunately, I don't have that option right now. We're on break with the kids. So I'm going to be using olive oil, their ORS relaxer. I'm going to start off with their scalp protector just to protect my skin and like some of my scalp from the relaxer. And I'm going to be using their relaxer in normal strength. I'm just going to put it around my forehead, the back of my neck, and my ears. I'm not going to part my hair into 4 sections and like put it in between my scalp. My hair is just too short for that. So I'm going to aim for 10 to 11 minutes. And that's going to include my application and the comb out and everything. I'm going to try my best to get it in short of a time as possible. And I'm also going to try and make sure that everything is like smoothed out as well. I wish I had my dye brush because I find I can get like in the root a lot easier that way. But my dye brush is at the salon. I'm starting to think that maybe some of these clips will kind of help me get access to the root. There's definitely going to be some overlapping. Do not copy what I'm doing. If your hair is super short like this, you probably should just go to a professional. I'm starting with the back and the sides because they're the shortest, so the new growth is quite obvious, and also because the front is very fragile, I should say, sensitive, and takes faster to process because it's thinner, especially around the edges. Something tells me I'm definitely gonna get a chemical burn today, especially because I've been scratching my scalp and Kalmar has been massaging my scalp just randomly, and I've been telling him like, I'm about to get a relaxer, don't be scratching my scalp, but he doesn't get it. Or not even burn, but like I'll probably feel it a lot faster. Really, I'm just feeling for dry spots. I'm feeling for dry spots to see where I missed, but I can't see anything, which is why it's safer to go to a salon. Guys, I'm definitely behind on time, getting flustered, but we're gonna get it done. I'm really banking on the fact that maybe this relaxer has lost some of its potency. I don't know, because I feel a little bit of tingling right here. That scared me. That's the timer, guys, and I still have this section to do. So it's been 11 minutes. Hey Siri, set my timer to 4 minutes.
4 minutes starting now.
I'm just gonna press into the hairline, more intentional right now since it's the last part. So I really have like 20 seconds left, but I'm gonna leave it on for another 3 minutes. So in total, it's gonna be the 11 plus the 4, 15, plus 3, call it 18 minutes with my relaxer in. I'm gonna go wash out my hair. Everything is pretty much saturated. This is definitely not like a root touch-up. It's so difficult to do it that way when you're doing it by yourself. I'm gonna use the Isoplus neutralizing shampoo to neutralize my hair, get it back to its normal pH balance. So I'm going to be using Kiss Tintation in Jet Black. And this is a semi-permanent hair color. This one was recommended by my hair school teacher. Honestly, it says to process it for 15 minutes to apply it 1/8 of an inch away from my scalp. That's not happening. It's going right on whether it touches my scalp or not. Ooh, feels kind of tingly, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. I kind of like how it smells. Yeah, I was gonna cover my hair with a plastic bag, but I'm not gonna do that anymore. I'm just gonna let it process for 15 minutes like the instruction says and just save myself the hassle. Yeah. So I'm gonna come back with my hair rinsed out and I'm gonna mold my hair, dry it, and I might need a little bit of a trim. I've been trying to avoid trimming my hair myself because I do make mistakes, and after making the mistakes, I usually just leave them like that. I leave it like that until it grows out because I'm like, I don't care, but I need to do better. Just rinse out the rinse. Oh. But I had to really cleanse my face because remember I had the scalp protector on, so I could really feel all the oil on my face. I'm gonna wrap my hair using Nairobi's Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. Right after I wrap my hair, I'm gonna have to go straight under the hooded dryer. But while my face is still damp, I still wanna put on my skincare. I've been using Merit for the past week and maybe like week and a half. So this is their Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. I'm gonna shake it up, but I just wanna show you guys like how it settles. I don't know the ingredients exactly, but it's been working for my skin, like in terms of giving myself like a nice glow, whether I'm wearing makeup or not. So I don't know if you guys heard of Merit. Basically, they're a minimalistic beauty brand. So they create products that are safe for the body, skin, and the planet. So their goal is to provide like edited essentials. So their goal is to provide essentials for you to work with. All their products are non-comedogenic, which means that they're created with products that are not gonna clog up your pores. So that's important for me. Anyway, I'm gonna leave the link in the bio, sorry, link in the description for you guys to check it out if you're interested. So instead of me going under the dryer to go dry up like a bag of crackers, I just put this on. I want to make sure that I'm molding it while it's still damp and towel dried. Now we're gonna use wrap strips. All right, your girl's gonna go under the dryer for about, it'll probably take 20 minutes to completely dry on a high temperature, and then we'll be back.
I'm doing her hair and I even have
I'm currently putting on some cluster lashes that I got from Amazon. They look like this. Tell me if you guys use these. Yeah, they come with the side that has the bond and then the seal. This was recommended by a friend, by Santasha. So I've been resorting to it lately as opposed to getting my lashes done. But they're quite easy to put on. I love the color. I'm so tempted to trim it. However, I don't want to ruin it pretty much. And also I want to do clip-ins. I want to do clip-ins this month. Therefore, I want to keep as much length as I can, especially at the top area. I want to try clip-ins on my short hair. But if I was in the mood to trouble my hair, I would definitely cut down the sides all the way around. Probably leave this forward so I still have my sideburns. And just snap it off. Okay, so those clippers didn't take anything off, especially with the level 3 guard. I didn't touch the top or the front or anything, but I did take down the back and the sides. I tried not to go too high up because I want to retain the length up here and grow back my ledge. And I want to keep the length because I want to do clip-ins, like I said. So I just turned on this flat iron here. I'll link everything in my Amazon storefront, and I'll leave that link below as opposed to just putting individual links down. You can just search my short hair product section and you'll find everything that I use. But I already feel refreshed and more refined. Tomorrow we're going to this VR spot. It's kind of scary and not really looking forward to it, but I know Kalmar would really like it. We're gonna go to the spa for the day, for most of the evening, and then we're gonna go for dinner. Those are my plans, and I just want to look good and feel good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be putting curls throughout my hair, or bumping my hair, I should say. This one got over curled. Ooh. Okay guys, so this is pretty much it. I am good to go, set. I'm not gonna relax my hair again, especially the sides. I'm not gonna relax the sides and the back again for another 4 weeks, and the top for another 8 weeks. So, and then I'll do the same thing. I'll rinse it again and I'll trim it down a bit, but my plan is to just kind of grow out the top so that I can do leave outs and so that I can do my clip-ins. My hair is very light right now and like thin, of course, so I just use a Sebastian Shaper Plus to kind of give it some hold. So it's an extra hold hairspray. I'll also link that in my Amazon storefront for you guys. So let me know what you guys think. To go to the spa tomorrow, I'm gonna have to walk with most likely my satin scarf, curling iron, and a little bit of mousse just in case I need to do like a dry wrap. Just in case like they get into my hair during the massage, or just in case I sweat it out. I most likely will sweat it out in the steam room, in the sauna, or in case we go into the hot tub. You know, just in case it gets messy. It's not gonna stay as neat as this, so I'm gonna be prepared. However, I won't be shampooing my hair again for at least 1 week. So whatever I do to my hair moving forward up to a week from now is gonna be just maintenance. So it'll be like dry wrapping, dry molding with the foam, tying it down with a wrap strip, restyling it with the small flat iron. But I won't be going in for like a full shampoo unless I go in chlorine water or my hair gets like obviously dirty, which is like not gonna happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something, even if it's just one thing. Let me know if there's anything that you have to offer me, maybe in the description box below, or just leave a general comment, maybe just saying hey. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.